Do not invest in cannabis stocks if you want to invest in cannabis. Ideally, invest in a person or a group of people that you feel highly confident in. They need to have deep-seated industry knowledge, connections, and more importantly, experience, along with a verifiable track record. Invest in these people because just like with any market, there's going to be ups and there's going to be downs. And if you invest in the right team and the operators, then you're able to navigate the market in a way which is truly the value that you're looking for. Anyway, cannabis stocks will pump and they're also going to dump, and it's going to happen in any sort of direction that the news talks about these stocks. It's going to happen. You truly want to invest in people or groups of people and understand that it's not a short-term investment and that you're really investing in these people and their knowledge, their connections, their wisdom, their experience. And these are the important things that matter in a solid team. And going into it, people can tell you anything they want to tell you, and they can, smooth talk you into things or whatever. And it's very easy to have great resumes and not really be able to prove them in cannabis. And there's got to be a certain layer of trust. So really seek out the people with verifiable references. The best scenario, if you're looking for a grower, for instance, is to find one that has an existing job and where they can allow you to actually tour their facility or see what they're doing, or maybe even it's a project, maybe it's their 6-plant personal grow. You can really get a lot of understanding just by walking through a grower's grow. Ultimately, what I'm trying to say is the more you can vet out the people before you hire them, the better. And those people are going to be the lifeblood of your business, of the success. So if you're going to invest in cannabis, invest in projects with people that you know and trust and believe in. And stay away from the cannabis stocks right now because they're so early that literally, like I said, they'll go up or they'll go down based on, what's being talked about in Washington, D.C. right now. So that could change this week to next week. There's going to be no consistency to your investment or strategy to that point. It's more of a gamble. So most likely over time, they're going to go up, but that's the thing. Do you want to have your money tied up in a stock that's going to be bottomed out half the time? So if you're interested in learning more about that and you want to check out more tips, make sure to head over to the website, highchris.com. Thanks again for watching. Head over to the website. You can find all the social media links there, as well as all of our content and videos. Thanks.